measurement, okay? So I hope you guys can see me. So when you measure your hip measurement, when you measure your hip measurement, you divide that measurement into 4, okay? And so when you divide that measurement into 4, add 2 inches to it. That's the crouch measurement, and that crouch is going to be perfect. That's one way. Okay, Shola Jusko, you're watching from Nigeria. You're welcome. So that's way of one method of measuring your crouch. And then the second method, okay, so let's see. Nancy, you're welcome. Good evening. You're watching from Kwara State. Okay, Ophelia, okay. So the next method of measuring your crouch is, so I hope you people can see me, or you people just need to bear. You take your tape like this. So let me adjust my camera a little bit. Let's see. Okay, so you take your tape like this, but this measurement, you actually cannot measure your customer with this kind of measurement though, because you will not be able to pass your tape through, but some of them might allow you, which is nothing. So you take your tape like this and then you pass it through, and then you take it so you can see the back where you are going to wear, where the trouser is going to be. You can see like this jeans I'm putting on now. This is where the waist is for my jeans, okay? And then where the front waist is going to be, you put it there like that, okay? And then when you put it, so you can see. So that's the second way of you measuring your measurement. So when I divide this now, you can say I have 24. If I divide it into 2, that's 12. The same 12 that I'm using for my hip, because my hip is 14. And then when I divide my hip into 4, I have 10. And then I'll add 2 inches to it. So that's 12. You can see those 2 measurements. And then the third measurement is the one that you sit on top of a flat surface. But I cannot sit on my table now. So you sit on top of a flat surface and then you take your tape like this and then you place your tape like this. So you can see when you place your tape like this as you are sitting, you place your tape like this on your waist and then you take it to the table or the chair where you are sitting. At the end of the day, you are going to have, so you can still see that the 3 measurements that I took, now the 3 of them fell on the same measurements. Okay, so these are 3 ways of measuring your crouch measurement. So are we clear, guys? So before we continue, this is a live class. I need you guys to interact and I need you guys to answer, so it will be easy for all of us to go along. Okay, so Nancy, okay, let's see. Ophelia, okay. Josine, I hope I pronounced that properly. Okay, you're watching from Zambia. Okay, Ophelia, you guys got it. Okay, so basically now the crouch measurement that we're going to be using for today's tutorial is 12 inches. So, and I forgot to get my marker, so you guys should hold on. Let me get my marker. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys can hear me. So I am back. So apparently the crouch measurement that we're going to be using for our tutorial today is 12 inches. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys, if we are going to be making a high waist, what we are going to do. So I taught you guys 3 methods of taking the crouch. Okay, thank you so much. Those of you that are giving me hearts, thank you so much. Okay, Mary, you said please let's put thumbs up. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. She's our prefect for today in this class. Thank you so much. Yes, people should give me thumbs up. Oh, thank you so much. And like also, you people should like the video. Thank you so much. Loretta, okay, you're watching from Ghana. You're welcome. Helen, yes, you're welcome. Elizabeth, okay, you're watching from Abuja. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're using 12 inches for our tutorial, for our crouch measurement, which is like the basic as in the most important thing when making a pants. So the next thing now we're going to start drafting. So if you notice my paper, my pattern paper is plain. I made sure that I did not put anything on it. Okay, so now we're going to start. So we'll start from the beginning. So we're going to start adding all of our lines. So I have 2 pattern paper here. We're going to use one for the front and then we're going to use one for the back. Okay, so now, okay, Cynthia, good evening. You're watching from Ghana. God bless you. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's continue. Christine, you're watching from Canada. So now the first thing we're going to do, I hope you guys can see